Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for PicWish app or just click on search. Add here PicWish. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, then you click here on OK. You go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do next, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.